Okay guys, so kita dah buka enjin ni kereta yang ada bunyi tu. Kita dah tengok semua. Ini tablet dia, bukan tablet baru ni, macam lama punya model lah. Ini tablet dia. Kita dah buat tablet dia tapi bunyi tu sama juga.
कि पाकिस्तान में रह के आपको 1 करोड़ मतलब मुफ्त में दे रहे तो आपकी किस्मत नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन इस बंदे का मैं देख के हमें कुछ बड़ा जबरदस्त आइडिया है, गाड़ी में करना है और थोड़ी थोड़ी उसकी वीडियो डालना है।
निकाल इसको। So here is the fault. This one. Here is the fault in this piston. Piston number 2. The knocking is coming from here. Number 2 piston. And the other is okay. Why this happened? This happened because the car is got heat up, temperatures heat up. So piston number 2 is the problem. This one. Reason for piston like this condition, car got heat up. Piston number 2. Another piston is all okay. This is the block. Other piston is okay. This one okay. This one no issue. Number 1. Number 2 here. This one. On this side. This one number 2. And this one number 1. This piston. Difference between both piston. This one okay. This one number 2. So the knocking is coming from here, from this piston. Okay guys, so here is the block. Number 1 piston okay, and the number 2 can feel difference here. The knocking is coming from here, this side, this piston. Another one is okay. This one number 4 is okay, number 3 okay. Only number 2, the marking is here. This one knocking. And number 1 also got, but not too much, little bit only. But in number 2 is too much here. Here is the difference between block. Our crankshaft is everything is okay inside. So here is the solution. We will replace the all 4 pistons because now our engine is already open. We will replace the 4th piston and we will check whether we can change the sleeve or not, new one.